Bomdila, no? So Bomdila तो basically like आप देख ही रहा होगा, मुझे देख के आपको लग रहा है कि it's like modern lifestyle and यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर लोग ऐसे ही है. Occasionally आप जैसे like when there is some festival और ऐसा कुछ होने से you can see like all like our customs, traditions, people wearing different kind of traditional outfits. And even in our like Bomdila is the headquarter of like there are many like places which covers Bomdila, especially Rupa comes this is district headquarter, yeah, West Coming. So Bomdila West Coming district है ना, तो इसके अंदर दिरांग भी आता है. Dirang also comes, Rupa. So every like Dirang and Rupa, again there is a like different culture and tradition. Yeah, Rupa people they are very strict. They strictly follow their traditions and customs, whereas Dirang there's like little bit more free with their custom, not so strict like Shardukpens. And like Bomdila mein to there are mixed, na? You can see every tribe in Bomdila. There's like Viji, Aga, so many like indigenous tribes, yeah. So everyone is like Bomdila is a place where you can see mixed traditions and cultures. So if you want to see this, then you have to visit during like festival time or you can come during like there's in November we have a festival called like Buddha Mahotsava. So it's a 3-day festival where they will showcase their like traditions, customs, like everything, cultural dance, food fest will be there. So like different talks, no? So it's like yeah. So that time you can explore everything. So I think if you want to like know about culture and traditions, that time you can come. Otherwise, like daily, if you say like that, it's like Western lifestyle only. Yeah, maybe like food and all it will be different, but rather than that, living and all it's like Western only.
Mostly non-vegetarian?
Yeah, most of the people they are non-vegetarian, but nowadays like especially the Buddhist sector they are vegetarians mostly, yes. But there are, as I told you, it's mixed, so non-vegetarian also goes. Education system पहले तो इतना I'll say it's like not so good, but अभी like every parents they are like बहुत ही like इस एजुकेशन सेक्टर को बहुत मतलब ध्यान दे रहे हैं वो लोग ना. एवरी हाउस मतलब छोटा हो गरीब हो धनी हो एवरीवन लाइक वो लोग अपना बच्चा का एजुकेशन को लेके मतलब बहुत चिंता करते हैं. एंड as I told you like most of the parents they try to send their like kids like outside in good school, like though even in our place we have like lots of schools, there are government schools, private schools, English mediums, and even in like every villages nowadays, especially Modi ji आ गए तो like every sector we have like every corner also with like villages का every like बहुत दूर होने से भी there are like schools and all. So it's like very good nowadays, no? And like there are many like officers, even IAS from our place, IPS officers, like of late. So I feel like it's very very good.
Sports also goes along with this.
Yeah, sports also, yes. Nowadays sports also, especially football. यहाँ के लोग फुटबॉल खेलने में बहुत अच्छा है.
It's the traveling for.
हाँ, यहाँ फुटबॉल के लिए तो क्रेज है यहाँ पे, no? So it's like good. Sports is not so bad.
Then what about business? States?
Business, Before it used to be agriculture. Agriculture एक main source था यहाँ का people because as like every other hill station में तो agriculture very like famous है. तो लेकिन अभी like as अभी तवांग बहुत famous हो गया है and like बहुत highlight में आ गया है तवांग. So there are like tourists, I will say. It's like because of the tourists also, next business for the people, domestic people out here. So tourists से भी बहुत अच्छा business बन रहा है यहाँ पे.
The one you have.
Like me.
Okay. So while coming on the way, I saw many of the army vehicles. So what about that?
Army defense is why because it's a sensitive area. It's very near to China, you know, and especially
Surrounded by many countries.
Yeah, surrounded by many different 2-3 countries. And next to Tawang, you know, it's like Bomdila border, China border only, and you know, often then China and Arunachal is having so much of problem, conflicts. Especially they have so much of controversies regarding this place. Bomdila, it's theirs, India says it's ours. So there may be chances of war or something anytime. You never know. So that's why our defense is very strong out here. And you have even realized taking ILP and all for this place. Actually, it's a part of India. It's not needed because part of India. Because you don't need ILP, but to keep an eye on each and everybody entering this place, they take ILP because it's a sensitive place.